Hi! This is one of the quickest and maybe the easiest methods to create bubbles in art. All you need is watercolors. I'm using liquid watercolors, but you can use any palette watercolors that you have. Watercolor paper, water, a brush, and some round items to create the shapes of your bubbles. I've got a disposable cup, and I'm just going to paint the rim of the cup with the watercolors. You can just kind of pat it all the way around the rim. You're going to flip it and press down to stamp that circle on your paper. This is going to give me a circle that I'm going to create a bubble with. Now with a wet paintbrush, I can pull that paint with the water, don't overwork it, and stay inside the circle. The water will cause that paint around the circle to pull inward, and you can kind of manipulate it around, lighter in some areas with more water or darker in some areas with less water, and you can leave a white space for a reflection. Or if you're like me, sometimes I fill in my circles too much, we can always add that with some white paint at the end. And when your circles are dry, just add that reflection in with white acrylic paint, a white paint pen, a white gel pen, or an ultrafine Sharpie marker. And that's it. We just made colorful bubbles. We hope this art lesson reminds you that you're like a bubble. We're all like bubbles. We're different from one another and unique, but beautiful when we reflect God's light. Now go make some art today. Make some bubbles. And most importantly, forget not the Lord.